The advantages of lifting clamps from PFEIFER are all parts of the clamps are made from quenched fine-grained steels. This guarantees an extremely long life. All clamps are tested before shipment in our works according to ISO 9001-2000 and Australian Standard AS 4991. A 3-year warranty period is granted on all clamp models with the exception of wear parts. With each single clamp, state-of-the-art operating manuals are delivered. Spare parts are offered in inexpensive repair kits. All PFEIFER lifting clamps meet the highest safety standards throughout the world, such as the European Standard EN 13155, the US Standard ASME B3020, and the Australian Standard AS 4991. All components are manufactured in the head office in Memmingen, and therefore PFEIFER stands for Made in Germany and utmost quality. For instance, the model MPC2 has surpassed more than 3 million load cycles in our fatigue testing unit. A surrounding and load temperature range from -20 to 100 degrees Celsius is standard. The maximum admissible load surface hardness is 300 Brinell. Please ask our product management for special clamps to handle harder materials or for other temperature ranges.